Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This week it is Finaela, a female pirate. She was primed in desert sands and I start off with sunny skin tone for all of her exposed skin. With her skin all finished, I moved on to the leather parts using dark flesh tone. I find that with this colour and a brown wash over the top, it gives a good fresh leather look. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or join Discord using the link in the description where you can share some things you have been hobbying on. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come and hang out. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. To add a bit of colour to the mini, I used green skin on her jacket. I didn't want to add a new colour to the leggings since there's not a lot there that's exposed. With that in mind, I used skeleton bone to keep that sort of brown spectrum of the other colours so it blends. Blonde hair seemed like a good choice since I don't normally do that, so I went with desert yellow. As blonde is not a vibrant yellow like a lot of people paint it to be, it's more of a off brown sort of colour. Now to tie all of those colours together, I used crusted saw on the pouches and the bandana. The only highlight that probably isn't needed is for the skin with elf skin tone. Next up, I get started on the metallics. I start off with glorious gold for these sword hilts. For the silver parts, I tried a new paint. This is Dark Star Old Silver. It goes on pretty well, but I think I should really have used it over a darker base coat instead of a sandy colour, as it just doesn't work for silver that much. the base, I kept it simple with werewolf fur, thinned down just a little to flow into those recesses and show that desert tan through that bit more. Onto the washes. The first wash is flesh wash for her hair, exposed skin and the gold parts. The last wash is soft tone for absolutely everything else. And that will be it for Finaela. I kept it quick and simple. It's perfect for that sort of weeknight painting session that I'd done this in. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to help support the channel more than you already do, on my Ko-fi page you can drop a one-off tip towards getting new equipment and just improving the general quality of the videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.